Hello everyone, hello my friend, happy to see you here and welcome back to mathsmood. Really interesting exponential equation today. We have 9 to the x plus 12 to the x equal to 16 to the x. And how can you solve it? Because we have all different bases, it looks like a difficult problem, but I want to show you a really good approach. Take a look closely. We have 9, so we can write this 9 as 3 square, and of course raised to the power x. We just change this 9 as 3 square. The next what we have 12. We can write it as 3 times 4, yeah, to the power x, and this 16, how can we write it? As 4 square. So as you can see on the first step, I just wanted to rewrite this. I just wanted to find the common, the base that we can go with this base next time. Yeah, we have 3 and 4 right now. And let's simplify this a little bit. Right now I'm going to show you a rule of interchange, so we can easily swap these two elements right here. Because a to the power x raised to the power y, we can write it as a to the power x times y, or a to the power y raised to the power x. So I hope you understand this moment. This is a property, this is a rule that we really need right now. Okay, we have this property, so we can easily swap these two elements. What we will have? We will have 3 to the power x square plus, right here we can write it as 3 to the x times 4 to the x, so we can write this to the power x by everyone. So 3 to the x times 4 to the x, and equal to 4 to the x square. So I hope you understand this step. We just do this thing right now. And right now I'm going to show you a really good moment, because if we divide both sides by 4 to the power 2x, let's divide both sides by 4 to the power 2x. Let's divide it. So if we divide this element by this 4 to the 2x, we will have 3 to the x over 4 to the x. I write it on in this way that we need, square, yeah? Let's go next, right here, plus 3 to the x times 4 to the x dividing by this 4 to the power 2x, and right here 4 to the power x square dividing by 4 to the power 2x. So I just divide both sides by this 4 to the 2x, but right here we can cancel this square and 4 to the x, and this on the right hand side give us 1, because 4 to the 2x over 4 to the 2x give us 1. So finally we simplify this a little bit. We will have 3 to the x over 4 to the x square plus 3 to the x over 4 to the x equal to 1. So I hope you understand this step. This is maybe the main difficulties in all question. If you understand this moment, you'll understand easily the next step. Okay, let's continue. We have this element 3 to the x over 4 to the x. If you know a little bit about power, we can write it as a to the x over b to the x, yeah? And moreover, we can write it as a over b all raised to the power x. And let's apply this rule right here. We have different bases, same exponent, so we can write it in one parenthesis. We will have 3 over 4 to the power x and all squared plus 3 over 4 to the power x, and I bring this one from right to left, minus 1 equal to 0. And right now, finally, we can see one really interesting moment. 3/4 to the x and 3/4 to the x. It's really good to write a substitution. So 3/4 to the power x equal to, for example, t. And moreover, t need to be positive, because we have exponential function, it's always positive. So power need to be, t need to be positive. Power doesn't matter, t need to be positive always. What we will have? T square plus t and minus 1 equal to 0. Real quick roots right here, because we have a classic quadratic equation, so we can easily find these roots real quick. So t first and t second equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. We'll have 5 over 2. But one really interesting moment, we need t positive. But if we go with minus sign right here, it will be negative, because right here numerator will be negative 1. So we go only with positive, because t need to be positive. So 1 and only t, we have t equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This is one and only t that we need. And let's go to our substitution, where we have substitution right here. 3/4 to the x equal to t. So we have 3/4 to the x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Yeah, so we have this expression, taking log on both sides, and we'll have our answer. If we take log on both sides, this x jump right here, so we will have right here our answer. So that our x equal to, right here square root of 5 minus 1, I write it, right here 2, and of course log base right here 3/4. This is our answer. Maybe not enough space for this answer. I write this answer right here, for example. Our x equal to, right here log 3/4 as a base and square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. This is our answer. I hope you understand this explanation. If you don't understand, write any question. If it's not hard to you, leave a like, write any comment. It's really important for me and it helps to improve my channel, which had hard times today because of everything right now. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, I really appreciate it, and see you in the next videos. Have a great day.